Hey class, it's Miss Gooch again. So today in class we will be covering the mean, the median, mode, and range of a given data set. This is information that you guys have had before. So what we'll be doing is trying to find how we do all of that. So just a quick review, if you don't remember these words and you didn't get them copied down in today's lecture, please get these definitions down, freeze the video right now, and get these definitions down. So a mean is where I take all of the numbers given to me, add them up, and divide them by how many there are. The median is I put the numbers in order from smallest to largest, and I figure out where the middle number is. The mode is just which number happens most often. Sometimes you'll have none. Sometimes you'll have two numbers, one number. Just write out the numbers, which ones come out the most often. And range is just like what we were doing at the beginning of the school year, is if it's asking range, it's large minus small. Okay, so let's do this. We're going to be looking at just the men's numbers. So on this paper, I'm going to erase off, but on your notes, you actually have this graph as well, okay? So first off, it asks me to find the mean. So I'm going to go and type in my calculator each one of these numbers, and then I'm going to divide that number by how many numbers there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So go and calculate and add up how much there is right now. When I added up all of those numbers, I got 33.86. So now I'm going to type 33.86 divided by 6, and I get out 5.643 with that repeating. Alright, so I notice all of my numbers are to the 100th position, so I'm going to look at my 100th position and its friend right behind it. So rounding rules, I look at the friend behind, and if it's between 0 and 4, I leave it alone. If it's between 5 and 9, I give it a shove. So I'm going to leave it alone. So that right there is my mean. My median, well, to do this, I need to rewrite the numbers in the order of smallest to largest. So I'm going to pause the video and I'll write those out. Okay class, so you can see that I start over here with the smallest number of 545, and I go all the way over to my largest number of 596. So to find the median, what I do is I put one finger here and I put another finger here, and then I move them in at the same time. When I do that on this one, I find that my median lies between those two numbers. To find that out, what I have to do now is take and add 5.6 plus 5.7, and I'm going to divide that all by 2. And that's going to give me 5.65. So that is my median. My mode, I'm looking at my mode, and it really helps now that I have them all in order from smallest to largest. And I see that I've got 545s and 2 570s. So my mode is both 545 and 570. Now again, this really makes it easy. My range, my biggest number is that 596 minus my smallest number, 545, and I type that into my calculator, and I get out 0.51. Okay class, so we covered this in class, and we also did the women's numbers. So I want you to go through and do that by yourself now. If you have any questions, give me a holler in class or before or after school. Don't forget you have homework tonight. It's the worksheet. All right, bye guys.